Want to control who joins your Zoom meetings before they enter? The Zoom waiting room is one of the easiest ways to improve meeting security and avoid unwanted participants. Yeah, whether you're hosting online classes, business meetings, or webinars, this feature gives you complete control over who gets in. So in this guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable and use the Zoom waiting room in 2026. First, open the Zoom desktop app or visit the Zoom website using your browser. Sign in with your Zoom account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to manage your meeting settings. Next, if you're using the Zoom website, head over to the Settings section under your account. If you're scheduling a meeting in the desktop app, you'll also find the waiting room option while creating or editing a meeting. Now scroll until you find the waiting room setting. Turn the toggle on to enable it. If Zoom asks you to confirm the change, simply approve it and continue. After enabling the feature, you'll see a few options for who should enter the waiting room. You can place everyone there, allow only guests to wait, or customize access depending on your organization's settings. Choose the option that best matches your meeting needs. When your meeting starts, anyone assigned to the waiting room will stay there until you let them in. Open the participants panel to see who's waiting. Then simply click Admit next to a participant's name, or select Admit All if you want everyone to join at once. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Zoom waiting room. I mean, it's a simple feature, but it adds an extra layer of privacy and security to every meeting you host. If you regularly use Zoom for work, teaching, or online events, it's definitely worth turning on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.